If you have a partner literally wake up from them snoring and it's super loud, or they seem like they're struggling to breathe, what's the best thing you could do for them in the moment? I mean, obviously recommend they go get the device, but in the moment, what can you do to help them breathe or to get them out of that?
Typically, it's to nudge them to put them on their side. Because when you're on the side, as opposed to on your back, gravity doesn't pull the tongue back against the roof of the mouth as much. So that kind of helps. The problem is a bed partner can't really do much besides, get annoyed, wake up 3-4 times themselves, and that affects their sleep, their well-being. I always say if your bed partner is complaining, you're doing some damage medically to your bed partner, let alone psychologically.